place your hands, please, on your hyoid and stick out your tongue. Can you feel your hyoid moving?
Yes.
Kind of. It's the base. So allow your hyoid to go in the opposite direction so that you're like a bow. And then take it with your tongue. So you go
What do you mean, take it with your tongue?
I do it with my hand. This is my tongue. This is my hyoid. They're going kind of opposite, like I'm going like this, and then I go like that. So you take your hyoid away, and then toward your tip of your tongue. So let your one hand be reflective of your tongue and one of your hyoid. So I'll go this direction. It's like, yes, Morgan.
As the tongue goes out, generally the hyoid goes up, just as a clarification.
I'm kind of going like this.
Back.
It's back, but it has an upward curve. But it's opening this area for me. And then take it with your hand. So one hand is here.
Do you release your tongue?
Huh?
Do you release your tongue in order to send your hyoid forwards? How do you do that?
That's what I want you to see. What's happening in the rest of your body here? Using your hand as your hands as the, so here you have one hand, and the other hand is the tip of your tongue. Why don't you stand? So first, do it with me.
This is your tongue?
This is the tip of my tongue. This is my hyoid here.
Can you do it over
Yes.
Yeah, okay, I understand.
Your
Okay.
No, your
Yeah,
hand.
yeah, you do.
Oh, I see. You're going here. Can I touch your tongue?
Yes, please.
Tongue is over here. Find my. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very different. Yeah.
You were swinging it back
Yeah.
instead of reaching it out.
Totally different experience. Yeah.
Now do it with the other hand here. Let your eyes follow your tongue as well. So you were looking up to the
Yeah.
heavens there for some angel to help you.
Yes, exactly.
No, don't look at your tongue. Look.
Look at the camera.
Just camera there.
Yeah, and it feels it advances in space.
It's what?
It actually moves forwards in space. Yeah, which I didn't have that sense.
So what I saw in your eyes was, yes, you can see my eyes. You were there at one point, or here at one point, rather than kind of what we were talking about. Let the frontal lobe float, maybe, I don't, this is where we have to use different words. Yeah, so that your eyes are coordinating with your mouth. Many years ago, many, I'm going back to the 60s, which, in a lifetime is a long time. Going back 60 years, I would see children who were caught in what's called an ATNR, and they couldn't move, and I'd see people trying to get them to move their eyes. And what I found is if I went to their mouth, their eyes would move, but they wouldn't move from looking at something outside, and that the tongue and the mouth guide the eyes and the ears. So finding where your tongue So in a few moments, you can do it sitting, but if you're standing, you have your whole body as a counter. So an ATNR is that when your eyes go to the side, you extend on that arm and leg and flex on the other. That's a very early reflex. But if you feel how you can feel how the tongue brings you back. So you gather with your tongue. Okay, stand again. So you're feeling how your eyes are related and your ears to your tongue. And your hand. Your hand is coming from the same lateral plate as your arches, and your tongue is your hyoid and your tongue, or the hyoid is the base of your tongue. Yeah. Or use your hand if you're not sure about your tongue. Touch the tip of your tongue. By once this connection, I swallow in a way. I bring it back and I feel how it relates to my palate, hand, gut tube, yeah. It's connected. Linda, you're also going down a bit. So use your finger to do one side at a time. Symmetrical movement is based on two sides. It's not like we're symmetrical. We're right side, left side, and they come together, but they have different setups. Whether it's nerve or blood, or they're developing separately, and then they come together. They're not developing connected. It's very important. Because so often we want to get something symmetrical, certainly with babies, and we act as though it's already connected. But it's connected through the use of both. Two become one rather than that they were one to begin with. Kind of like the egg and the sperm are different, and then we become a one from the egg and the sperm. So if your tongue, if I go once you have this, one second. Then your tongue can guide your hands and your eyes and your ears.